Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something a little different, but something that I've wanted to do on my channel since the very beginning. In this video, I thought it'd be fun to look at and break down a game mechanic from a popular video game called League of Legends. The game mechanic or ability I want to look at today is Blitzcrank's Rocket Grab. I'm going to walk through how this ability works and how I would recreate it inside Unity. If you're not familiar, Blitzcrank's Rocket Grab is a long-range skill shot where his arm shoots out in a straight line. If it hits an enemy champion or minion, it stuns them and pulls them all the way back to Blitz, where he can follow up with a knock-up or basic attack. Mechanically, it's really satisfying, and there's a lot going on under the hood to make it feel smooth. A similar game mechanic or ability can be found in a number of other video games. There's Pudge's Meat Hook from Dota 2, Roadhog's Pull from Overwatch, and even characters like Scorpion from Mortal Kombat or Link and Samus from Smash Bros. Have similar chain pull abilities. So now let's take a second and actually look at Blitz's Rocket Grab in League of Legends. Now let's play it back even slower. Looks simple enough, but oftentimes in game development, things that are simple have more to it than you expect. So let's break it down into the core components we'd need to implement. First off is the projectile arm. Now with Blitzcrank's character model, his right arm would need to be a separate child game object. That way at the exact instance of triggering this ability, you could disable his right hand and instantiate the projectile. During this ability, you'd want to put Blitz in some sort of holding state where he's not allowed to move or do any other attacks. This would allow for enemies to punish you if you miss your grab. The projectile would probably use the same model as his right hand. To create the chain that links the hand to the arm, I'd probably just use a line renderer with a tileable texture. To create the curviness of the chain, especially with Blitzcrank's ability, I'd probably just look for a Bezier curve plugin. And the other key component for the projectile would be collision detection. Now once the projectile collides with an enemy, you'd need to stop the projectile in its path, trigger a stun and deal damage to the enemy, and probably disable its collider so it doesn't affect any other units. Then you'd instantly start moving the enemy back towards Blitz. After the grab finishes or you miss, you'd then need to reset Blitz's hand, start a cooldown on the ability, and allow him to function normally. Other features to think about with this ability are the different animations that you need to implement. Maybe Blitz himself does some sort of stance, while the projectile hand closes its fingers once it hits a unit. You'd then probably need some particle effects, maybe some wind gusts trailing behind the hand, smoke coming out of Blitzcrank's exhausts, or an impact explosion when the hand hits a target. There's then also the sound effects that you'd want to implement. There's a very distinct sound effect that everybody can recognize for Blitzcrank's Rocket Grab. And that basically sums up the breakdown for this awesome and iconic game mechanic. Now this video is the start of a new series that I'm currently working on, where we're going to look at, break down, and have some tutorials on how to create RTS or MOBA type games. So make sure that you like this video, leave any questions or suggestions you have in the comments below, and subscribe to my channel so you can be up to date with all my latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.